Hello students, let us see the problem number 10.1 from the group 13 elements. What the problem is saying, student, explain, they are saying explain why first member of P block elements differ from remaining members of their corresponding group. Okay, so whether this is P block, if you are going, that is boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So they are saying whatever they are group they are having a student. Okay, they are the first member. These elements are the first member. They are the first member. And this first member, they are saying first member, what is happening, differ in, differ from, remaining member of their group. So that is differ. Okay, differ from what? Remaining member. Differ from remaining members. So how it is differ from remaining members, student? Like you see, that is if you show boron is there, carbon, silicon, okay, carbon, silicon, germanium, SNPB, okay, these elements are there. Nepal, Pakistan, Australia, sab bimar, okay, this one. Old style say tipo, old style, oxygen, sulfur, selenium, tellurium, polonium, okay. फिर कल बाहर आई आंटी, हियर इज क्या है, बैगन, आलू, गाजर in thela. So they are saying, students, what are these elements are there now, these elements are there. So they are saying that these elements are differ in the properties of the other remaining element, and the question they are saying, that is why they are saying, that is why it is happening. So first point, that is small size, first point if you write, that is first point, they due to small size, due to small size. Whatever the properties related to small size, they all will be, all will depend, okay, will be the differ, like that high IE, high IE. Second point you can say high electronegativity, high electronegativity, this is their high electronegativity. These are their students. Now if you go for the third point, student, second point, what are there the second point, dear student? If you talk about the second point, so what you will be able to find, student, in the second point? Second point, that is lack of, vacant d orbital. Okay, so whatever the element are there, they are the second period, student, and that is d orbital start from the third period, so they don't have the vacant d orbital. So lack of vacant d orbital in first member of what? First member of P block element, P block elements. So what are the first member of P block, like that carbon, okay, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine. So these many numbers are there, these many elements, okay. So dear students, let us have a look over it. So that is why, because of this reason, the properties of this boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine are different. Let us have a look over, student, what is written in the slides. Here you can read out the slides, student. They are saying the first member of the P block differ from the remaining member of their corresponding groups in two major aspects. The first is the size of the atom of the first member. Thus, all the properties which depends on the size differ from the remaining member of the corresponding group, because they are having the small size. So, whatever the properties depending on the size, they will be differ for the other element and for the first element. Second point, the second important difference arises from the effect of d orbitals in the valence shell of the heavier elements, which start from the third period onward, of sense in the second period P block element. Now what they are saying, boron second period has maximum valency of 4, 1 2s and 3 2p orbital. The example is Bf4 minus. Aluminium and other heavy element of third, fourth, etc. can utilize third orbital in addition to 3s and 3p and form species like AlF6 2-, where the covalency is 6. The atom of the element have vacant d orbital lying between 3p and 4s energy level. Using these orbitals, the element expand their covalency above 4. The presence of these vacant d orbital influence the chemistry of the heavier elements, considerably influence the ability of these elements to form pi bond due to p pi d pi overlapping. So dear student, I think you might have not understood what I read out here. So let us go by line. So line by line if you are going, so that is they are saying that is they don't have the d orbital, student, they don't have the vacant d orbital. Okay, so what is happening, so that is their maximum valency can be 4. Boron can be maximum valency 4. So boron is 5, it is C, 1s2, 2s2, 2p1, it is the ground state. So here you see how many, that is 1 2, and here is the what is 1. Now what they can do, student, they can expand in the boron 5, excited state if you are sending, student. So this is 1s2, that is 2s1, 2p2. So that is how many are there, 1. Here you can see, student, 1 2, and here is what is, that is vacant. So these three covalent, this can form the covalent bond and this can form the coordinate bond. So total bond which is possible equal to, total bond, that is the maximum covalency is what, student, that is 4 in case of boron. Okay, now here saying 2s2p orbital, the example is Bf4 minus. Aluminum, other heavy element, they are saying third, the fourth, etc. can utilize 3d orbital in addition to 3s and 3p to form AlF6 2-. Boron is forming Bf4 minus, boron is what, Bf4 minus only, but aluminum is what forming, that is AlF6 minus. So dear student, you see AlF6 2-. Okay, so you see this is extending the valency up to 6, but it is having the only 4, whereas the covalency is 6. In the which one, aluminum covalency is 6. The atom of the element have vacant d orbital lying between the 3p and 4s energy level. That's okay. 3d is lying where, student? Between 3p and 4s. Using these orbital, elements expand their covalency above 4. So here you see that is aluminum extended its valency more than 4. The presence of these vacant d orbital influence the chemistry of the heavier elements, considerably influence the ability of these elements to form pi bond due to p pi d pi overlap. So this is all about our answer, student. I hope it can be little bit helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe the channel, students.